How to delete all saved messages on Snapchat at once. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen over here. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. You can view your chat list with friends on Snapchat. Tap on the profile picture of any of your friends from this list. Now, go to Chat and Notification Settings. Here, tap on Delete Chat. You can choose when your chat should be deleted in this chat. For example, if you choose after viewing, your chats will be deleted immediately after you view them. Now go back to your profile again. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Clear Data under the Privacy Control section. Then, tap on Clear Conversations. Here, choose the friend or group whose conversation you want to delete. Tap on Clear again to confirm. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Following these steps, you can easily delete all saved messages on Snapchat at once.